Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at a game changer for dual monitor setups, the ErgoFocus heavy-duty dual monitor mount. If you're tired of cluttered desks and limited screen adjustments, this mount could be the perfect solution. Let's explore what makes it stand out. The ErgoFocus dual monitor mount supports screens from 13 to 43 inches, holding up to 33 pounds per arm. It's designed for flat and curved monitors, making it versatile for any workspace. With VESA compatibility, 75 by 75 millimeters and 100 by 100 millimeters, it fits most modern displays, including popular ultrawide models. One of its best features is the upgraded tilting head design, which prevents screen sagging and keeps monitors stable. The gas spring mechanism, tested over 20,000 times, ensures smooth and effortless height adjustments. With 360-degree rotation, tilt, and swivel, users can easily switch between landscape and portrait modes for better workflow and ergonomics. Beyond flexibility, this monitor arm helps declutter your desk, freeing up 50% more space for a cleaner setup. The built-in cable management system keeps wires neatly arranged, while the C-clamp and grommet mount options allow installation on various desk types. If you want a durable, fully adjustable, and space-saving monitor mount, the ErgoFocus heavy-duty arm is a great choice. Check the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews. See you in the next one.